good morning to one and all present here. This is Gayatri Rani before you. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity. And today I am here to do one-on-one conversation with my friend Ravina. So enjoy.
Hey guys, a very chow morning to one and all present here. And this is Ravina Nalware from before you. And thank you very much, sir, giving me this golden opportunity to speak front of you. And today I am here to do one-on-one conversation with my friend Gayatri.
Hello Ravina.
Hello Gayatri.
How are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I am also very well.
So by the way, Gayatri, what do you do?
Ravina, nowadays I am doing BMLT first year, and apart from that I am joining Wisdom Educational Academy. And what about you?
Currently I am BSc first year in Web College, and apart from that I have joined Wisdom Educational Academy from improve my communication skill.
Wow, that's great. Okay, Ravina. So, by the way, do you like any game or playing any game?
Yes, I like game because I like volleyball, and because this is my favorite game, and I play very energetic feel, and I feel comfortable this game.
Okay, so you playing this game?
Yes, I play this game. Okay, so by the way, Gayatri, which is favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket because I really like this game, and all time I am watching this game, and Virat Kohli and Hardik Pandya are my favorite cricketer. Whenever I watching, so I very enjoy. That's why I really like this game.
So great.
Okay, so Ravina, you have any favorite color?
Yes.
Okay, so which is your favorite color?
My multi-favorite color, but I like red color because I attractive to me this color, and I feel I wear clothes this color. I look beautiful, so I like red color. And what about you?
My favorite color is that black because I really like this color, and whenever I going for shopping and anywhere, so only I choose black color. Yeah, and this is very attractive color, and the sign of darkness. That's why I love it. Okay, so by the way, Ravina, you have any favorite actor and actress?
Yes, I have favorite actress Shah Rukh Khan and actress Kajol, because actors are very chow and awesome, and you are hardworking actors, and very popular and famous, and anyone movie of Dilwale, so my favorite movie. And actress Kajol, because very popular actress, famous, so my favorite actress Kajol. And your favorite actress?
My favorite actor is Ranbir Kapoor because he's very handsome and he's very charming and dashing. That's why, and he's making very many movies, but his movies recently he's released movie Animal. That's great movie and very good movie. So I'm going there for watching, and Ranbir Kapoor is a national crush, and every girls want like Ranbir Kapoor's type's husband and boy. So that's why I like, and the favorite actress is that Alia Bhatt because she's very good, charming, and very lovely and very beautiful. That's why, and he's making also lots of movie, and he's making the student of year, making him very younger age, and also he's making Gangubai Kathiawadi. She's also making Gangubai Kathiawadi. It's very inspiring movie. That's why.
So by the way, Gayatri, which is your favorite chocolates?
My favorite chocolate is Kit Kat and Dairy Milk. And which is your favorite chocolate?
Same, also same Kit Kat.
Okay, so by the way, Ravina, any favorite ice cream?
Yes.
Okay, so which is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My ice cream flavor vanilla. And your favorite ice cream flavor?
It's American nuts. It's very delicious, very yum.
Oh,
Yeah.
so by the way, Gayatri, which is your favorite place?
Okay, so my favorite religious place is that Kedarnath because their environment is very good and very cool, and surrounding the very surrounding very nature is very good and very cool, and uh, eyes there are lots of eyes. That's why, and in future I will go there. And the nature place is that Leh Ladakh, because they are having many rivers and mountain, and their view is very good. So my favorite nature place is that Leh Ladakh, and my favorite city is that Rajasthan, Jaipur, because their religion I really like and their people is very kindable and peaceful. And in future I will go there. And which is your favorite religious place, nature place, and city?
My favorite religious place, I like Ujjain Mahakal temple. I get devoted from of Mahakal, and I come to got excited Mahashivratri, and this day fast and worship Mahakal. So I like Mahakal, and I natural places Kullu Manali. This area very cold and greenery, and I feel so comfortable. So in future I get Kullu Manali in my husband, and I like city Baitul. So in clean city, no pollution, and available to school places, a mall, and medical hospitals. So I like city.
Okay, that's great. So by the way, Ravina, do you watching movies?
Yes,
Okay, so which is your favorite movie?
my favorite movie, 12th Fail. This movie, this watched movie uh, improve my knowledge, and I get movie, so then more give up. So
Okay, so do you watching web series and serial and cartoon?
yes, I like web series Avatar. So I like web series Avatar. Um,
Okay, so you watching cartoon or serial?
yes, I like cartoon and serial. ये तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा, this is like favorite serial, and the very funny serial, and very cartoon comedy scene. So I like this serial. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also watching movie, serial, and web series. My favorite movie is that Manji the Mountain Man, and I watching this movie and learn one thing that we never give up in our life. That's why this is my favorite movie, and my favorite show is that Big Boss. That is a reality show, and we learn more thing. And I watch every day this episode and enjoying. And the second is my favorite serial is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, because their character is very funny, and every people like this the serial and enjoying many things, and that's why I really like. And I'm not watching the cartoon.
Okay. So
Yeah, and one more thing, my favorite web series is that Broken but Beautiful, and one more thing, the Dr. MBBS. It's a very good and very inspiring web series.
so you watch web series?
Yeah, I watching web series.
You like?
Yeah, I like web series.
Okay.
You watching web series?
No,
Why?
I'm not interested.
Okay, so by the way, Ravina, how's going in your studies nowadays?
My study very well, and today I am study 2 to 3 hours. So I am study very well, good. And your study?
My study also going is very well, and every day I'm doing study 2 or 3 hours.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Ravina. So I'm getting late. Nice to meet you.